Hi everyone, I'm Kim from School Kit and I'm going to talk to you about your new Counties Power Power It Up books. When you open up your book, you'll find inside that there are several picture scenes that haven't been completed. They are for your students to complete. Underneath these picture scenes are guidelines to complete a paper circuit. This first circuit to complete is a simple circuit, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to create that with your students. On the left-hand side of the guidelines, you will see some instructions for what you'll need. So this one tells us that we need one LED bulb, which I've got here, one coin cell battery, which is this here, copper tape. You'll also need a binder clip and some tape. So to start off, what we need to do is use our copper tape. It's really important when using copper tape to make sure that the copper tape is not broken where you want the electricity to flow. You'll see here we've got our coin cell symbol with a positive sign on it. We're actually going to start with our copper tape in the middle of that symbol, and we're going to take it along the guidelines of your book. You're going to just use your fingers to smooth it out as you go. When you come to a corner, you need to bend the tape carefully back on a 90-degree angle. And then we're going to fold the tape back on top of itself. It's really important not to break the tape. When we come up to our bulb symbol, we're just going to rip the tape and break it there. We will connect that break in the tape shortly with our LED bulb. We're going to continue with our copper tape, placing it down along the guidelines in the booklet. Again, we fold back on the 90-degree angle, rotate your book around, and then come along following the guidelines again. Don't worry if it doesn't match up perfectly. We'll just complete our final bend, and then we're going to bring that tape into the center of our battery symbol and just rip the tape off there. The next part to do is to take your LED bulb. You'll notice that there are two connections. One is a longer connection. You'll see it's slightly longer, and that's called the anode. With a pen or a pencil, you want to just wrap that anode connection or bend it around the end of a pen just to make a bit of a spiral. Okay, that is our positive connection on our LED bulb, and then we're going to bend the other one out just to the side. That's our negative. In your booklet, you will see that there's a positive sign and a negative sign. So it's important that our anode connection, which is curled, goes to the positive sign. And we're going to use our tape now to hold that in place. So I'm just going to rip off some washi tape here. You can use sellotape if you prefer. Okay, and it's really important to press that down firmly, okay, and make sure you've got a nice strong connection. We need to use tape on both sides of that LED, okay, and we just press it down nice and firm. If you find your circuit doesn't work at any point, just make sure you've got that bulb connected around the right way. The curly end, the anode, is on the positive side. Our final thing to do is to see the fold line in your book. Okay, give your book a little bit of a fold. It's important to be quite accurate with that fold because these two battery symbols need to match up with each other to complete our circuit. A circuit needs to be continuous for the electricity to flow. You'll then take your coin cell battery. On the top, the shiny surface, there is a little positive sign, a plus, and that needs to be facing up. So we're going to put our coin cell battery on the symbol, the circle symbol on your paper booklet, okay, and then we're going to fold this on top, and you'll see when I push that down, it connects and the light turns on. Your binder clip will just hold that in place. Okay, and then if we flip back our cherry ice cream, you will see that it glows.